Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Just a random vlog, a unnamed vlog, untitled vlog or whatever. Okay, what was sent on my phone? What else? Let me see. Mental health is real. Depression is real. Suicide is real. Always keep yourself and loved ones covered in prayer. Oh, Nyla. On our way to reception, Gabriel. If they were Hawaiian Punch, just wait. Gotta go nuts. Oh, Gabe. By the way, do y'all remember Gabe that appeared in my previous videos a couple of years ago in 2016? I hope y'all remember Rochelle, okay, with her goofy butt. She's a crazy goofy butt, you know. Yeah, I kick her butt for that coming visit. And by the way, MeccaCon is coming. And by the way, I gotta. All right, look at this. Y'all see this? With my real name and all that. Yep. Next dose. July 30th, 2021. I mean, I gotta go. I gotta go take my second dose. July the 30th, 2021. You know, I should have been got this. You know. Well, I gotta make groceries that day. Maybe we're gonna make groceries that Saturday or something, you know, or that Thursday or something, you know. But we'll have to see what the hell's gonna happen, okay? So anyway, y'all, I just got to, you know, So on that note, okay. As I was saying, y'all, I mean, I enjoy life though, you know. Got my COVID vaccine and stuff like that, you know. Vaccination. Yep. So I have to get this done because much as I be around people, I know that I be around a lot of people and stuff like that, and I didn't get sick. But for my own safety, you know, I have to. My mom's still sore from that damn shot. You know, I wish this wouldn't have got out of hand. You know, they probably got a new virus about. I don't know. Okay. So, well, like they say, it is what it is. You know, be careful out there, ladies and gentlemen. You never know. Okay. Yep. All I'm doing is in here eating my spaghetti, drinking my soda, my sparkling water and stuff like that, you know. Long as my best friend Shamika's all right, and my other friend Brittany, you know, I declare her my baby sister, you know. And Erica, my current girlfriend, I don't know how long that's gonna be, but I don't know. So. Maybe if Erica do be on my show, I don't know if we're gonna still be in a relationship by then, you know, because I declared her taken by me. She'll like, by who? And did I say by me? She agreed with it, you know. Oh, Erica, my baby, you know. I don't know. I'm just on here on my phone on Facebook, you know. Yeah, I still do watch YouTube videos on my computer, you know. Yep. So anyway, do y'all remember Crazy from Flavor of Love? Y'all do? Yep, she's doing good. For some of you that don't know, she's married now. Okay, she's a married woman with a son. Okay, you know, one of these days, I hope and pray that she have a daughter one day. She needs a daughter. You know. Yep. Like I said, she needs a daughter. Okay. Yep. So, like I say, daughters is a blessing as well as sons, you know. Yep. So y'all remember Chloe that was on my show? So Chloe was over here for my birthday. You know, that was my cousin Lester's girlfriend, but they're not together no more, you know. But unfortunately for that, because Chloe was a sweetheart, you know. So I know y'all remember that episode. Y'all remember that episode when I was over there by my people house, and they had a birthday party slash graduation party for Lester. I know y'all remember that, you know. If y'all watched that episode, if y'all didn't watch that episode, then shame on you. If I come to you ask if you watch YouTube, you don't watch it, shame on you. If you don't watch my videos, then shame on you. Okay? And that's all I got to say, y'all. Shame on you. Okay? Alright. So, yeah, that's all I gotta say is shame on you. Okay? Alright. So, take my glasses off. Yeah, so this is how the original Domino 7 looked like, you know? So back in the day, in 2002, that's when I started getting braids in my head, you know, straight to the back, like D'Angelo have. You know, I don't know if D'Angelo still have braids or not, you know. Then Mystical wound up getting braids straight from the back, you know. And I was really expecting Spice One to get braids like that, and he did. That was in 2008 when he had braids straight from the back. What the hell? Oh, the sun was peeling on my glasses, you know. So anyway, when I first heard of Mystical, I thought he was Spice One. When I was a kid, I used to call Spice One Space One, you know. I thought his name was Space One, but truthfully, his name is Spice One, you know. Yeah. Let me tell y'all something. Brandon, my brother, you know, he always sweeps shit under the rug, you know, the good music and all that. Oh, cause it's old. I mean, I remember back in the day, they used to sweep shit under the rug. Not they find out. Oh, we could listen to this again. But like I said, I never used to sweep nothing under the rug, you know. I still listen to MC Hammer. I still listen to Tupac, Biggie Smalls. Yep, 2 Live Crew, you know. I also still listen to Casey and JoJo, you know. Mint Condition, yeah, Jodeci at that, you know. Like I said, Casey and JoJo, Jodeci, you know, Mr. Dalvin the Great, you know. Devontae at that, you know. I still listen to John B. and Juvenile, the Cash Money Millionaires, Lil Wayne, BG, Mac, No Limit Family, Master P I still listen to, you know, C Murder. Yeah. So I heard the news that Mac is out of prison. Thank God for that. And also Bill Cosby, you know. Yes indeed. See how God works? God is good all the time. All we gotta do is just let C Murder out of prison, you know. That's all we need to do is let C Murder out. You know, so should we say Corey Miller, you know? Okay. So on that note, y'all, I mean, I'm still support Master P, aka P Miller, Percy Miller, you know? Yes, indeed. I enjoy Master P, you know, especially Silta Shaka, you know. I like his songs, honestly. I do, honestly. But technically, I like his acting more than his rapping, you know. But technically, his music is good to me. You know, I have his album, Charge It to the Game, and Made Man. Okay, I mean, if I hated his lyrics, I wouldn't even buy his CDs at all. You know, if I would have thought that was garbage or whatever. You know, so some people say his lyrics is garbage. So, your opinion is alright to me, but I listen to it. You know. Yeah. All right, with this unnamed vlog and all that, download something video 666, you know. Yeah, I got that right, you know. I'm about to show y'all my COVID vaccination card. Just the back. Oops, I dropped it. Here's the front with my real name and everything. Okay. I had no choice but to get vaccinated. You know, it was just the first dose. Okay, so y'all already know. Okay. All right. So all I say is I can't wait for the next convention though. So this is gonna be the last year of MechaCon. Unfortunately for us, you know. But thank God they're gonna still have Comic-Con and all that. And Kristen gonna be here hopefully. Or should I say Poo Kristen? Well, she gonna kick my butt for calling her that. I know y'all watched that video when she said, "You better quit calling me that or I'll kick your butt." Yeah, okay. Alright, that's all I got to say. Thank y'all for watching, alright? Bye-bye, y'all. Watch the next.